Hello, so ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates. For those of you na gusto mo pa personal reading, doon lang kayo pumunta sa aming Facebook page, Madam P. Ayan, dyan kayo pwede inquire ng personal reading. I highly suggest dyan kasi active yung aking admins, sila yung mag-a-assist sa inyo if you want to book a personal reading dyan sa page. Okay, so let's start. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Wait lang guys. Medyo ayusin ko lang yung ilaw kasi medyo nakakasilaw siya. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You do have your 9 of Wands and the Lovers, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini energy. Bottom of the deck is a 7 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yung iba sa inyo, guys, if this is not you, kasi yung iba sa inyo, hindi ikaw to. This could be the person nakakonect mo. Pero I'm feeling a relationship or connection dito na parang may challenge. So, kung hindi ikaw to na may challenge yung connection mo with your person, it could be the person that you're dealing with. Kasi, yung iba, nakukuhanan ko na yung person mo ito. Or if you're a cross-watcher, this could be, this could be Virgo, pero, yeah, this is what is happening to sa person mo. Anyway, take only what resonates. Pero nakakita ko ng challenge dito. And I feel like yung connection mo, etong kinuha kasi natin na energy is sa'yo. So, we will say na sa'yo ito. Pero ikaw nakapagsabi kung person mo to, ha? Okay, ganito. The way I say this is nagkakaroon ng challenge yung connection. Pero I feel like your spirit guides or your angel guides are there with you. Nandyan. And I feel like parang part of your life itong challenge na ito eh. Parang ginaguide ka sa mas tamang direction para sa'yo. So, yung person na kakonect mo, sino to? Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. Okay, wait lang. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig mo yung mga ingay ng tahol ng aso. Pagpasensyaan mo na hindi ko po yun mapipigilan. This is a person in the past. The energy of death card, death and rebirth, 8 of Wands. So yeah, yung 8 of Wands, ang nagpapakita sa aking symbol ngayon is the number 8 literal, pero nakahiga siya. So it's an infinity sign. So I feel like there's a spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa nito na masasabi nating spiritual kasi ilan na ng beses nagkaroon ng death and rebirth sa pinaka-connection ninyo. Pwedeng matagal na siya nawala, tapos bumalik na naman, nawala, tapos bumalik na naman. You know what I mean? So, ganun yung feeling ng connection. And this past person is, ang energy niya is, yun nga, hot and cold. And, I feel like with the death card, or one of you, kasi ngayong energy is pabalik-balik eh. So, I don't know if this is your or your person. Pero hot and cold. Tapos, one of you is siya yung bigay ng bigay dito sa pinaka-connection, and then the other one is parang wala lang. Pagka nagkakaroon ng maybe reconciliation sa inyong dalawa, nandun yung parang wala lang dun sa isa yung reconciliation or kulang or hindi hindi nag-reciprocate yung, alam mo yun, yung walang equal give and take, ganon. You over the Queen of Wands and the Seven of Cups. I just saw the name Ellen, by the way. Ellen. I don't know if that is you, Ellen, or yung person mo. I don't know. It could be you or your person. It's or relatives or I just saw the name Ellen. Anyway, person nakakonect mo. Kunin natin yung energy niya. Okay. Two of Swords, Five of Wands. Bottom of the deck, meron tayo ditong the Fool. This is Major Arcana. Queen of Wands and the Seven of Cups. Nakikita natin, you're manifesting this person. Gusto mo magkaroon ninyo beginning sa inyong dalawa. Gusto mo mag-reach out dito sa person na to. Like, you feel like itong person na to is the one for you. Daydreaming. I can see daydreaming. A lot of daydreaming energy. Mina-manifest mo siya. You feel like, marami kayong pagkakapareho nitong person na to, but yeah, you really do like the person. Like, kita mo yung future mo na parang mas magiging maganda kung may connection sa inyong dalawa. This person this person that you're dealing with, Eight of Swords, nakikita natin yung pagka-stuck ng energy niya. Five of Wands, nakakita tayo din ng pag-aaway, and maybe Two of Swords. Like, decision ng pag-iwas or paglayo, or yeah. But I feel like itong person na to is nami-miss ka. Honestly, dun sa part ng pag-aaway, I don't know if you are the one na nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway or pagkakagulo, or if your person is dealing with another person, pwedeng yung energy nila yun na parang laging nagkakaaway, problema sa pinakarelasyon, connection. I want to know more ano yung feelings or emotions niya sa'yo kasi hindi siya lumabas dito. The Wheel of Fortune at saka the King of Pentacles is here. At first, nakikita natin na medyo material yung energy. Or, ganun kasi siya parang ganun kasi siya ng tipo ng tao. Like, at first parang wala lang and kind of like feeling niya, ang mas nakikita niya sa'yo is yung mga material na capabilities mo, yung mga meron ka, etc. But then, habang nagkakaroon ng connection sa inyong dalawa, like, the more na nagkakaroon ng, anong tawag dito, level up yung connection ninyo, lalong tumitibay. There's part of you na nagre-remind sa kanya ng past niya. And or, kumbaga parang, ang energy niya kasi, hindi siya masyadong honest sa emotions niya. Marirealize na lang niya, unti-unti siya nasasaktan sa connection ninyong dalawa. Like, I feel like in denial with regards sa love. I feel love. Pero in denial. Tapos, unti-unti na lang niya nararamdaman na nasasaktan siya doon sa pinaka-connection ninyong dalawa habang tumatagal. Like, hindi ngayon I feel like maybe in the past or pag nagkakaroon ng reconciliation sa inyo. Sabi ko nga ilang beses kayo nagkakaroon ng reconciliation. So, What will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future energy, in the near future for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You do have the star. This is Aquarius energy. The Six of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Nine of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Okay, in the near future for the both of you. The High Priest is also here. Knight of Cups at saka Five of Cups. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. In the near future, nakita natin yung you are going to reach this point of your life na may mga tutulong sa'yo, tapos from that tulong, marami kang ma-achieve or some kind of goals ang marireach mo. Knight of Wands, this is you. This is victory card na energy na parang there's this knight na supposed to be pasugod pa lang sa gera, but the feeling here is like kagagaling sa gera and there's this victory energy. So some kind of pag-ayos or something na may gagawin ka na maayos itong bagay na ito, and then you're coming back and this comeback is like ikagugulat ng marami. You are someone who's very victorious. Alam mo, wala kang kailangan patunayan sa sarili mo eh. I feel like a lot of people love to help you, gusto kang tulungan because hindi mo na kailangan patunayan sa sarili mo. They already knew na yung tutulong nila hindi masasayang, hindi mababalewala. Parang nandun yung pagkakatiwala. Alam mo kasi ang hirap magtulong sa isang tao pag yung tulong nababaliwala, 'di ba? So it feels like maraming gustong tumulong sa na hindi naman to the point na kasi para maibalik mo sa kanila yung tinulong nila. Hindi ganon. It's just that ang sarap mong tulungan kasi nakikita sa kung paano mo ginagamit yung mga bagay na tinutulong nila. You know? And maybe, sabi ko nga, hindi mo kailangan patunayan sa sarili mo. It's just that sila na mismo nakakakita at nakakaalam kung anong klaseng tao ka. You are a person who is full of actions. Yung person na kakonect mo, the High Priest, the Knight of Cups, and the Five of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Okay, itong person na to is struggling. I can see pag-i-struggle. There's this feeling na parang with the High Priest, there's a spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. Medyo mas malakas yung nakaamoy nga pala ako ng spaghetti. And yeah, five of cups. I'm feeling a lot of pain and seeing na itong person na to parang siya go with the flow. You know what I mean? Parang kung saan siya dalhin ng agos, kung anong mangyari sa buhay niya. Pagdating kasi sa emotions, wala siyang sariling direction or wala siyang sariling decision about that. Okay? And the Knight of Cups is a very slow knight, so pwedeng mabagal siyang mag-take actions dito. But this person wants to offer you something. Gusto niya mag-offer, but I feel like feeling niya hindi mo kailangan ng offer niya ngayon. Like hindi mo siya kailangan. Feeling niya hindi mo siya kailangan ngayon. Diba? Because you are full of cups or may mga ibang tao nandiyan sa harapan mo. Kung gusto niya, kailanganin mo siya or gusto niya maramdaman yung feeling na kailangan mo siya. Pero it feels like hindi mo siya kailangan. So, nalulungkot siya kasi feeling niya hindi mo na siya kailangan. Yan. And you do have the Four of Cups at the bottom of the deck, the Tower. Medyo nagkakaroon siya ng realizations about sa ending na nangyari sa inyo, sa connection ninyo. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.